So we're going to do these beef kebab today. They've got some incredible flavors on them, some lovely spices. And what I'm going to do is add a little secret just to tenderize it up so they cook perfectly. That really, really is good. Fabulous. Welcome back to How to Cook Way. So I've got here some beautiful beef. Nice big and chunky cuts there. Look at that. Really lovely stuff that is. Let's cube that up, get it ready for our kebab. Okay, so cubed up, look, you don't really want it much bigger than that. If it's much bigger than that, it's not going to cook very well. That's kind of maximum size, I would say. Let's get moving. Okay, as you can see, I've got our meat in a mixing bowl. We're going to look at the magic secret first. Here you go. We've got some bicarb soda there. Not baking powder, bicarbonate of soda. You want maximum of a teaspoon for this amount. Salt and pepper. Take a look here. About a teaspoon each. We've got paprika or chili. It's up to you. I'm using sweet paprika, cardamon powder, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Quarter cup lemon. You can see that bicarb doing its thing now. Quarter cup olive oil. In we go. Give it a mix. Now, if you can leave this for a few hours, brilliant. If you can use it, leave it overnight, even better. Okay, so I've just put them onto the skewers. I'm using these metal skewers that are kind of a bit kind of flat. You know, let me see if I can turn one over. Can you see that? They're thin there. You can look where my finger is, but they're flat. I mean, you could do them on bamboo sticks or wooden ones if you want. Metal's better. And you can see I've just put a tomato on the top and some onion at the bottom. If you wanted, you could be putting some, you know, peppers in there, bell peppers, onion, you know, zucchini, vegetables like that. I'm just going to go with the meat. So that's it, ready for the grill. Okay, and there you go, really beautiful. I've taken one off so we can taste it. That looks really good. So have a go. Nice. See that bicarbonate of soda? That's the trick. Super delicious. Just serving that with a few wedges of lemon. Fantastic. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.